उहे इहो फ़ैसिलो न करे सघिया त बस में सफ़र कनि या ट्रेन में। They couldn't decide whether to travel by bus or by train. मूंखे हैरत आहे त हुन मुंहिंजे पैगाम जो जवाब छो न ॾिनो। I wonder why he didn't reply to my message. हूअ साॻियो सवाल बार बार पुछंदी रही। She kept asking the same question again and again. जीअं ई मूंखे ईमेल मिलंदी मां तोखे ॿुधाईंदसि। I will let you know as soon as I receive the email. सुभाणे हिन वक़्त ताईं मां कराची वञी रही हूंदसि। By this time tomorrow I will be traveling to Karachi. फिल्म एतिरी त बेकार हुई जो असीं अध में ई निकिरी वियासीं। The movie was so boring that we left halfway. जेसी ताईं तूं पंहिंजूं आदतूं न बदिलींदे तेसी ताईं तुंहिंजी ज़िंदगीअ में कुझु बि बहितर न थींदो। Unless you change your habits, nothing will improve in your life. मां नाइंसाफ़ी बर्दाश्त नथो करे सघां ऐं फीमेल हीअं चवंदी मां नाइंसाफ़ी बर्दाश्त नथी करे सघां। I can't tolerate injustice. हुन पंहिंजो बैग मेज़ ते रखियो ऐं कमरे मां निकिरी वई। She put her bag on the table and left the room. अॼु मां देर सां उथियसि तंहिं करे मां नाश्तो न करे सघियसि। I woke up late today so I couldn't eat breakfast. मूंखे निंड अची रही हुई पर मूंखे पंहिंजो होमवर्क मुकमल करणो हो। I was feeling sleepy but I had to complete my homework. तूं हमेशा मूं लाइ मसला पैदा करीं थो। You always create problems for me. हाणे बस काफ़ी थियो मां इहो वधीक बर्दाश्त न कंदसि। Enough is enough. I won't tolerate this anymore. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz and take care.